How to search for jobs on Jooble. Looking for your next job? Jooble makes searching simple and fast, and let's see how to do it. First, open Jooble and tap the search bar at the top. Type the job title you are interested in, like graphic designer or project manager. Below, you will see another field where you can enter your preferred location. Tap search and Jooble will show a list of available positions. Scroll through the results and tap any listing to see more details, including salary, description, and application instructions. Refresh your search often. Jooble updates listings throughout the day, so new jobs may appear anytime. What type of job are you searching for right now? Share about it in the comments below. And that's how you can search for jobs on Jooble. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.